Hello everyone, in this video let us solve for a. Our given question is a cube minus a square is equal to 48. Let's start the solution of this question together from here. Okay, our given question is a cube minus a square is equal to 48. In the next step it become a cube minus a square. I shift this to the left hand side. It become negative 48 is equal to 0. Now we can also write this as a cube minus a square minus into 64 minus 16 equals to 0. We can apply this negative to the bracket. A cube minus a square minus 64 plus 16 equals to 0. In the next step, a cube minus a square minus 64 can be written as 4 to the power of 3. Also 16 can be written as 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 0. A to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3. I now rearrange it. Minus a square plus 4 square equals to 0. Now I can common negative sign. So a cube minus 4 to the power of 3 minus into a square minus 4 square equals to 0. Now according to this rule, m to the power of 3 minus n to the power of 3 is equal to m minus n into m square plus m time n minus here is plus n square. Okay, also according to this rule, m square minus n square is equal to m minus n into m plus n. We can apply these two formula on the above equation. It become a minus 4 into a square plus 4a plus 4 square minus here is rain. So I stop the video. Goodbye. Try solve this video.